Good morning, America. This is day 10 of exploring America with no agenda. We're making daily vlogs and we're also posting regularly on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Today, we're at Crater Lake, Oregon, and wow, what a beautiful spot this is. We came in here last evening, made a supper here, and then camped here overnight. We're gonna make some breakfast and then we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna be heading to the Oregon coast. Other than that, we're just gonna enjoy our morning here, and eventually we're gonna leave. It's ready. All right.
Just like a swamp.
Yeah, we need to clean it out.
Is that the train station?
You mean you heard somebody like really dead?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
There's another one that just followed.
Where is it at?
Jason.
It's time for tailgate talk. So these are our goals that we accomplished. So these are yesterday's goals. As you can see, we accomplished all of them. So we need a fresh new set of goals. Right now, we're in Crater Lake, Oregon, as you can see. So we don't have far to the coast. We should be in San Francisco by Wednesday. No, by Tuesday. I think what we should do, so we should drive a lot of the way there today. We have 3 goals for today. Redwood National Park. We need to do a street interview with somebody. And we need to camp on a beach. Sounds like a pretty busy day.
Yeah.
We better get going. There's Crater Lake. We came down here, Medford, now we're driving up through here. Still a ways to go, but we are getting places. Don't know what this is, some for inspection.
He said, do you have any plants or fruit?
And what did you say?
I said, no. Beep.
Our windshield is filthy, but we're entering a tunnel.
Alright, can't really see. Oh, no.
There we go. We made it to Redwood National Forest, which means goal number 1 for the day is complete.
This was how they chalked over?
Yeah, you are. Look at this boy. Oh yeah. You can really smell these redwood trees. It's like Wait, we can stop in this town for supper.
Well, I'm looking. I don't see any restaurants.
All right, so we're in this little town. We pulled off Highway 101 onto more of a back road. Found this really cool town here. So one of our goals for today is to do a street interview. And so we have to do that now. And then we're gonna get food here. So let's make this happen so we can eat. This is hard. There's not exactly an overabundance of people, and they're all older people, which is fine, but I just feel like a younger person would be more willing to do it. Alright guys, we're giving up for now. We're gonna get supper, and then maybe we can try some more people after. Alright, thank you very much.
Welcome anytime.
Alright, supper's done. We still have the interview to do. I don't know if anyone's gonna be out anymore at this time of night, but we might fail again. We have a problem, guys. There's no one to interview, and this whole town is closing down for the night. What are we gonna do? We still have to find a place to camp on the beach, and we need to interview somebody. This is not good, guys. We might have bitten off more than we can chew off. But on a nicer note, this is a really cool town. Very quiet, as you just said. I'm just stealing your content. Excuse me, sir. You from around here?
No.
Alright, so here's the thing. Ferndale was a bit of a bust. When we got supper there.
Hey. We got 2, maybe 3 followers from there.
Alright. We got some followers. We had a nice supper at a place. There was live music. Thanks for the music. Very great, very talented singer there. Thanks for that. And so now we're trying Fortuna.
Hi, you guys don't have showers here, do you?
Shower?
Yeah.
I could think anything would probably be the gym.
Why would you park here?
We're gonna walk to the gym.
Okay. We're not gonna have showers, I can tell you that much. What do you think is gonna happen?
Nope.
Locked. Basically, we don't even need a room. We just need a place to shower. So, what do you think you could do that for us for?
40, actually, I gotta charge you because I gotta give 20 to.
Let's go.
We got a shower.
You just asked.
Have it. $40.
Not bad. That's like the price of 2 showers at a truck stop, so it's just like normal price. Here's the shower. Not quite as nice as the truck stops, but hey, it's a shower. Get clean, go to bed, fresh and clean. All you gotta do is ask. People will help you out. Alright, we got showered up, and now we're back in Ferndale because we gotta go through Ferndale to get to the beach where we're gonna camp for the night. It's been a long night, but we're getting close to finding a camping spot and getting to bed, so yeah. Yeah, we're at the ocean.
Why is that so terrifying?
Yeah, it sounds awful. Wow.
Track for the car? What?
What in the world?
Am I dreaming?
There's the Pacific. All right, day 10 in the books. What a day it has been. We drove all the way from Crater Lake to the Pacific Ocean. We're camping on the beach. 2 out of 3 of our goals are completed. We did not get the street interview, unfortunately. The towns we were in were just not a lot of people out, not a lot of people willing to do an interview. So hopefully we can check that off tomorrow. But we got the Redwoods, and we got the beach camping. We're tired. I'm got a lot of editing to do still, so we're gonna get to bed. Good night. Oh, also subscribe for more daily vlogs. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Follow our Instagram if we hit 10K by May 24th, which is the end of our trip. We'll do another trip with no phones, GPS, or technology. Good night. The ocean is creepy. Why are there no stars?
There's no star. There's no moon. It's just